Thank you for joining me today. I am Maria. This is Lovepraypaint, and today we are going to be doing another fall inspired painting, a vintage style farmhouse pumpkin. We'll also be doing some crafting. We're going to be making a frame for our painting. So if you like this painting and paint, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So if you hit the notification bell, you'll know when all of my new videos come out. And follow me at Lovepraypaint on Twitter and Instagram. And you can follow me on Facebook. I'll have a link for that. And let's get it. You're going to need are obviously a canvas. I'm just using a canvas pad. The colors we're going to be using today: a Mars Black, Burnt Umber, Titanium White. In addition to the paint, I'm going to be testing out this glass fluid medium, and you will also be needing paintbrushes. The size doesn't really matter. Size doesn't really matter. Size doesn't really matter. That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said. You'll need some water and some paper towels, and you will also need some sticks. Yes, you heard me right. Some sticks. Some sticks. Some sticks.
Say, Eric, do you like fish sticks? Yeah? You like putting fish sticks in your mouth? Yeah?
A hot glue gun. A kindergarten teacher's best friend. That we are done with our painting. Sorry for this big mess. That's what happens when you paint. It gets messy. We are going to be making our frame. Hot glue. Make sure it's obviously plugged in and warmed up. 4 sticks. Roughly the size of your 8x10 or whatever size you're gonna. I mean, I just collected these outside. Obviously, that's what you're gonna want to do. I'm gonna put the glue not on the paper. I'm gonna put the glue onto the stick. You're just gonna put it on the side that you want to glue it down on. You have to work fast if you're using hot glue because it dries so fast. You want to get this as close to the edge as you can. If the whole thing doesn't stick to it, it's fine. Like if it hangs over the top of it, that's fine. The top and then the bottom first, and then I'll put the 2 side ones on. Put the glue onto the stick. And if you want to, I think would be so cute if you put some twine on the top of it before you even glue it down. Well, you don't have to do it before you glue it down, because if you have pieces that hang over, tie some twine on each side, like some string so you can hang it. That'd be really cute. I don't have any twine, so I'm not going to do that. I am going to get some, however, so I can hang it. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that dry for a second. I like how it looks so far, like this. So we're just gonna, like for the side ones, I'll show you how to lay them after I get this on here. I'm just gonna glue this, make sure you have enough glue on it. And like I said, if it dries, it's gonna be fine. Put more on the ends because that's kind of where it's gonna stick. Get it? I'm just kidding. That's not funny. I'm ready to pick up. Okay, so this is how it looks when it's done. So this is how you're gonna attach these. I mean, and if you have glue hanging down like that, you can just pull it off after. Not a big deal. And if you wanna attach this like that so it's not hanging, I probably will do that eventually. But this is like how it looks. Anyway, see, that's the final painting. And I hope you guys had fun. And what I mean by attach a string is kind of tie the string like right here or like on the end of this, wind it around, and then just do a regular knot. And then, well, twine or rope I think would be the cutest. And then you're gonna just leave enough so when you hang it, it'll just hang like perfectly. Or if you have any space right here, you can just obviously use that, or you can put like a command thing. That's it. So you can see this, be grateful. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye. Please like and subscribe if you made this. Oh, and I always forget to say this. If you guys make these, can you please tag me on it? Just put like @Lovepraypaint, like, you know, pound Lovepraypaint. That's the hashtag I use. And hashtag me and post your, either you can send them to me on Facebook or you can on Instagram or Twitter. I love when people like recreate these, and if I can see it, I'll share it. I hope you like it. Yeah. He's dumped my whole brush in the black paint like a ding dong. Over out of my camera. And you move over out of my camera. All right, we have our move. Salutations. All right. Salutations. Salutations.